Hi everybody, I'm here to give a quick review of this Mandoline or vegetable chopper. I got this for last Christmas. I've used it for quite a few times now, and the blade is still sharp. It came with a bunch of size for color, but what I mainly use it is for this to shred carrots. A quick demo of how fast you can get shredded carrots instead of buying shredded carrots. So I have my carrots washed and ready, and this is this. You just have to go like this. It's very easy and it's very quick. You just have to make sure that you don't break your finger as well. So I just got done grating the carrots, and this is what it looks like. I grated about 6 carrots in about 5 minutes, and this is all gonna go to my soup. And this size is actually also perfect for carrot cake.